Hey guys, welcome back to the Kichuk family channel. In today's video, I wanted to share some breakfast ideas that I've been making for my family. We're going to start off with waffles. My kids really enjoy homemade waffles, especially these Belgian waffles. I don't think I need to show you the step-by-step exactly because if you have a waffle maker, it is pretty common sense, but as you can see, we just sprinkle some pomegranate seeds and kids decorated however they wanted. Moving along, the other day I made quesadillas from scrambled eggs and these ready to cook tortillas. You just had to fry them up with some scrambled egg and cheese, and they were delicious and filling. Alright, moving along, I will show you my favorite cheat breakfast. It is this pre-made buttermilk pancake mix that I like to use on this griddle. As you see, I just use a little bit of Pam and cook these little pancakes until they have bubbles on top. Then I just go ahead and flip them over. They do not come with chocolate chips. I just add chocolate chips to the batter. Alright, the last breakfast is my most favorite from this whole video. It was so delicious and so filling. What I did was take some sausages and fry them up. These manly hands are not mine, they're my husband's. He was helping me out with this breakfast. So I was supposed to use square tortillas. I didn't have any square tortillas on hand, so I just made do. We cut some tortillas in half. Next, I just added some cheese to that tortilla, added the sausage on top, and rolled it up. As you can see, they are becoming very delicious looking. Now, before I fry them up, you do want to dip them in some eggs. That way, it'll give them that nice color, that crispy edge, or I should say crisp tortilla, and it melts the cheese very nice. As you can see, this cheese pull is goals. And that's a wrap on this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. Subscribe if you would like to follow along for more videos like this, and I will see you later. Bye bye.